Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video we will specifically talk about this processing error in Turnitin. If you have fulfilled all the conditions of Turnitin to examine a file for AI detection, it includes the file should be less than 100 MB and the word count should be between 300 to 15,000 words. The language of the document should be English, and finally it should be in acceptable format. If you have fulfilled all these conditions but still you are facing this particular processing error, then you do not need to be worried, because when I faced this error, and despite of my multiple attempts, but still I was facing the same issue. So I was a bit confused at how to handle it, and I try it, like I just search on Google, I search on YouTube, but I was unable to find a specific answer to my question that how to handle this error. But in this video I am going to tell you, because finally I was able to find the solution of this problem. What you need to do is just open your actual file, and it should be in in a specific format from where you can copy all the text. If it is in the Word format, then definitely it will be quite easy for you. You can just copy all the text. You can also use the command Control A to select all and just copy, and then you will need to open a new Word file that should be blank, and just paste all of your material just by pressing Ctrl V, and then save that file and just try it, and hopefully your problem will be resolved. Because I have used same technique and I was able to have the AI detection of my file. If this technique worked for you, remember to inform me in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching.